Hi everyone, today we will learn subtopic 3.4 differentiate function involving trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic function. Subtopic 3.4 differentiation involving trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic function. Example 1. Differentiate the following with respect to x. A y equal cos ln 3x. The first one, to differentiate trigo, suppose that we get negative sign and then the angle we just copy, we get here ln 3x. After that, we differentiate ln 3x until we have 3 over 3x. We simplify for this equation, we get negative 1 over x sine ln 3x. For the example 1b, y equal ln cos 3x. By using this formula, d dx ln fx equals f prime x over fx. So we copy cos 3x, we put to the bottom, then we differentiate cos 3x, we put to the top, then we have negative 3 sine 3x. Now we simplify for this question, we get negative 3 tangent 3x. Example 1c, differentiate the following with respect to x. Y equal to the e to the power of sine x. The first one, if you look at for this question, this one is exponent. Then differentiate exponent, we just copy the question, e to the power of sine x. After that, we differentiate exponent sine x. We have cos x e to the power of sine x. Example 1d, y equal to the sine ex plus zx plus 1 over x. For this question, we differentiate trigo. Sine we have cos. Now the angle we just copy, ex plus zx plus 1 over x. Then differentiate the angle ex plus zx plus 1 over x. We have that. Differentiate ex, we get ex. Differentiate zx, we get 1 over 2 zx. Differentiate 1 over x, we have negative 1 over x squared. So the answer is dy dx equal to the e to the power of x plus 1 over 2 x minus 1 over x squared cos ex plus zx plus 1 over x. Example 2. Find dy dx for the following. A. Y equal to the ln e to the power of 2x plus tangent x. B. Y equal to the ln e to the power of 2x tangent x. If we look at for this question A and B, the difference is the question A we have plus, the question B we have multiplication here. So how to differentiate for both equation here? The first one, for example 2a, we get ln here. So differentiate ln by using d dx ln fx equal to the f prime x over fx. Again, we copy the e to the power of 2x plus tangent x, we put to the bottom. Then differentiate e to the power of 2x plus tangent x. We have 2e to the power of 2x plus differentiate tangent, we get secant squared x. So the answer for this question is dy dx equal to the 2e to the power of 2x plus secant squared x over e to the power of 2x plus tangent x. For the next question, this question we will use law of log. We split to two functions, ln e to the power of 2x tangent x to the ln e to the power of 2x plus ln tangent x. Again, ln e to the power of 2x, we use law of logarithm. Again, we have 2x plus ln tangent x. After that, we start differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate 2x, we get 2. Differentiate ln tangent x. Again, we use this formula. After that, we get dy dx equal to 2 plus secant squared x over tangent x. Simplify this until we have 2 plus 1 over cos x sin x. Example 2c. Y equal to the e to the power of ln 3 plus 2 sin x. For this question, we will use law of log, which is e to the power of ln x, we get x here. Thus, if we have e to the power of ln 3 plus 2 sin x, so we have that y equal to 3 plus 2 sin x. Then we will differentiate easily. We have dy dx equal to the 2 cos x. For this question, we cannot use law of log, but we will use d dx ln fx equal to the f prime x over fx. So we just copy 2e to the power of negative 4x plus 3 sin 4x. We put to the bottom. Next, we differentiate 2e to the power of negative 4x plus 3 sin 4x. We put to the top. Then we have that negative 8x e to the power of negative 4x plus 12 cos 4x. We simplify this, we get negative 4 bracket 2x e to the power of negative 4x minus 3 cos 4x divide by 2 e to the power of negative 4x plus 3 sin 4x. Example 3. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Y equal to the sin ln x, bracket here, power of 4. Y equal to the cos to the power of 4 e to the power of x. Okay, how to solve for this question? The first one, we let u is equal to the sin ln x. Then we differentiate u with respect to x. Differentiate sin, we get cos. Then the angle we just copy. After that, we differentiate angle ln x, we get 1 over x. Simplify, we have cos ln x over x. After that, if u is equal to the sin ln x, thus y is equal to the u to the power of 4 dy du, we get 4u to the power of 3. This one we differentiate using power rule. After that, by using chain rule, dy dx equal to the dy du times du dx. We have that dy du we replace with the 4u to the power of 3. Then du dx we replace with the cos ln x over x. Then we substitute u is equal to the sin ln x here. We have that 4 over x cos ln x sin to the power of 3 ln x. For this example 3b, y equal to the cos to the power of 4 ex. The first one, we rearrange this function cos to the power of 4 ex. We written like this, cos ex bracket everything here power of 4. Now, how to differentiate this? We will use 3 steps here. The first one, differentiate using power rule. Next, we differentiate trigonometric function. After that, we differentiate angle or we differentiate fx. So the first one, we differentiate using power rule. 4 cos ex power of 3, reduce power by 1. Then differentiate trigo cos ex. We have that sin ex. After that, we differentiate angle or differentiate function fx here is ex. Thus, we have that 4 cos ex to the power of 3. This one using power rule, and then sin ex. This one we differentiate trigonometric function. Then ex here we differentiate fx. So rearrange this. Then we get 4ex sin ex cos to the power of 3 ex. Example 4. Find the derivative of the following: y equal to the e to the power of negative 2x sine 3x, b y equal to the ln sine x. Example 4a. Y equal to the e to the power of negative 2x sine 3x. By using product rule, we have that e to the power of negative 2x, then differentiate sine 3x. After that, take sine 3x, then we differentiate e to the power of negative 2x. Or using product rule, we let that u is equal to the e to the power of negative 2x, and then v is equal to the sine 3x. So same for this part, if we differentiate e to the power of 2x, then differentiate sine 3x, we get 3 cos 3x. Then we take sine 3x, differentiate e to the power of negative 2x, we get negative 2e negative 2x. Then we simplify until we get this answer: e to the power of negative 2x, 3 cos 3x minus 2 sine 3x. Example 3b. Y equal to the ln x over sine x. Okay, by using this formula, okay, sine x we put to the bottom, then we square here, then we bring sine x and differentiate ln x. Minus here compulsory, then taking ln x differentiate sine x, or we can use d dx u over v equal to the v u prime minus u v prime over v square. We let that u is equal to the ln x, then differentiate u prime, we get 1 over x. Then let v is equal to the sin x, differentiate sin x, we get cos x. Then okay, this one minus. Okay, then we have that sin x 1 over x minus ln x cos x over sin squared x. Simplify until we get sin x minus x ln x cos x over x sin squared x. Example 5. Find d2y dx2 for the function y equal to the ln 3 plus 2 cos x. If you look at for this question, d2y dx2, actually we need to differentiate up to the second derivative. Okay, how to differentiate y equal to the ln 3 plus 2 cos x? So by using this formula, we can get that dy dx is equal to the negative 2 sin x over 3 plus 2 cos x. Then next, we have to differentiate dy dx by using quotient rule formula. Then we have that 3 plus 2 cos x, we put to the bottom 3 plus 2 cos x squared, then 3 plus 2 cos x, then differentiate negative 2 sin x, we get negative 2 cos x. This one compulsory minus. After that, by taking negative 2 sin x and then differentiate v, this is 3 plus 2 cos x, we get negative 2 sin x. Then we have to simplify until we get negative 6 cos x minus 4. This one we get 1. Suppose that cos squared x plus sin squared x is identity. 3 go cos squared x plus sin squared x, we get 1. Then simplify again, we have negative 2. 2 plus 3 cos x over 3 plus 2 cos x squared. Okay, we continue to the example 6. Given y equal to the e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x. Prove that d2y dx2 plus 4 dy dx plus 13y equal to 0. Okay, for example 4a, actually we have that dy dx for e to the power of negative 2x sin x is equal to the e to the power of negative 2x 3 cos 3x minus 2 sin x. Okay, for this question, so we differentiate for the second derivative by using product rule. So we have that d2y dx2 is equal to the e to the power of negative 2x d dx 3 cos 3x minus 2 sin x, then plus 3 cos 3x minus 2 sin 3x differentiate e to the power of negative 2x. Then we have e to the power of negative 2x. Differentiate this, we get negative 9 sin 3x minus 6 cos 3x. Then 3 cos 3x minus 2 sin 3x. Differentiate e to the power of negative 2x, we get negative 2e to the power of negative 2x. We simplify until we get negative 5e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x minus 12e negative 2x cos 3x. From the previous slide, we have that y equal to the e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x. If we differentiate, we get dy dx here, and then if we differentiate again using second derivative, we get negative 5e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x minus 12e to the power of negative 2x cos 3x. The question asks we to show that d2y dx2 plus 4dy dx plus 13y equal to 0. So to show that this one, by taking left hand side, d2y dx2 plus 4dy dx plus 13y, the first one we replace d2y dx2, which is negative 5e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x minus 12e to the power of negative 2x cos 3x. After that, plus 4 dy dx. So 4 we multiply by dy dx. dy dx here we have to expand. Then we get like this. 3e to the power of negative 2x cos 3x minus 2e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x. After that, plus 13y. We get 13e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x. Then we have to simplify, okay, until we get negative 13e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x minus 12e to the power of negative 2x cos 3x plus 12e to the power of negative 2x cos 3x plus 13e to the power of negative 2x sin 3x. So we cancel this one, and also we cancel this one until we get 0. So this is equal to the right hand side solution. Okay, let's do the exercise here. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. Then check the answer. So if you don't have the answer, please check to your lecturer. Thanks for watching. So does anyone have any question? Please ask your lecturer.